we would like to demonstrate the use of Restoration Tools' latest product, the Aerator. With any clean water loss, instead of flood cutting or removing 1 to 2 feet of drywall around the room, after affected baseboard is removed, part of the mitigation process is to dry the walls through wall cavity drying, or aeration. Currently, the standard way to aerate wall cavities is being demonstrated by this technician. As you can see, the technician is on his hands and knees on the wet carpet using an electric drill. Even though this is the industry standard way of performing aeration, you can see the results are messy, time-consuming, and potentially unsafe. Wet knees make for an unhappy restoration professional. With our tool, the Aerator, this is a way of the past. The first step with the Aerator is to remove the safety clips. Now, all that is necessary is to place the Aerator up against the wet wall and strike it with the mallet. With this tool, the debris is pushed back behind the wall, eliminating the need for any cleanup. You can see this process makes aeration consistent, efficient, and safe. No more wet knees, uneven holes, or wet drywall that won't vacuum. Once done, the technician can load the Aerator and flat bottom mallet into the custom carrying bag. They are now ready for the next loss.